There is a sacred kind of magic that happens when a Black woman crosses the threshold of 50. Our skin, rich with melanin and history, carries a glow that cannot be manufactured. Our silver hair stands as a crown of wisdom, and our style becomes less about chasing trends and more about radical self-expression. Yet, society often expects us to fade quietly into the background, just as we are stepping into our most powerful era. True style is not about trying to look 20 years younger. It is about commanding the room exactly as you are today. The right dress does not just alter your silhouette, it elevates your spirit and announces your presence before you even speak a word. Today, we are exploring 5 essential dress silhouettes that honor your form, celebrate your depth, and amplify the effortless elegance that belongs uniquely to you. Let us begin with a garment that deserves a permanent home in your wardrobe, the structured A-line dress. For Black women over 50, fashion is at its best when it combines architectural precision with fluid grace. The A-line dress is a masterclass in this balance. It fits clean and secure across the shoulders and bust, then gently expands outward, skimming over the hips and thighs with absolute ease. This silhouette creates a striking sense of proportion that honors mature curves without a single ounce of restricting tightness. When selecting an A-line piece, the fabric must possess substance. A heavy linen blend, a rich double-knit cotton, or a structured crepe will hold its shape beautifully and move with a rhythmic weight as you walk. Consider the canvas of your skin when choosing colors. While the rest of the world may lean toward muted, predictable tones as they age, the timeless Black elegance aesthetic thrives on unapologetic richness. Imagine a deep marigold, a vibrant emerald, or a royal plum resting against your complexion. These tones don't just complement melanin, they ignite it. To style this look with intention, define the waist with a wide, high-quality leather belt. Frame your face with a pair of bold architectural gold earrings that celebrate your natural hair textures, whether you wear a closely cropped afro, sweeping locks, or a silver mane. Finish with a pointed-toe leather flat or a low-block heel. This look transitions seamlessly from an afternoon gallery opening to an intimate dinner, offering a commanding presence that feels entirely effortless. There is a distinct power in knowing exactly who you are, and nothing commands that presence quite like our next piece, the iconic wrap dress. For decades, this silhouette has remained an undisputed staple for the modern woman, but it holds a special significance for the mature woman of color. The wrap dress is an exercise in soft power. It allows you to customize the fit to your exact proportions on any given day, defining the waistline and creating a beautiful elongated V neckline that perfectly frames a statement necklace or a bare, glowing collarbone. For a look that exudes true luxury lifestyle for Black seniors, look for wrap dresses crafted from matte silk, heavy jersey, or lightweight wool crepe. These fabrics drape without clinging, creating a liquid-like movement. Step away from small, dizzying patterns and lean toward bold, abstract prints or deep, saturated, solid colors that tell a story. A rich chocolate brown, a striking terracotta, or a classic crisp ivory can look breathtakingly sophisticated. If you are finding inspiration in these styling philosophies, take a brief moment to join our circle by subscribing to Timeless Black Elegance and liking this video. We are cultivating a space where our beauty is honored, not forgotten, and your presence here completes the fabric of our community. When you style your wrap dress, think about the details. Pair it with a classic leather pump or a refined slingback. If the neckline feels a bit too revealing for your taste, do not reach for a generic camisole. Instead, layer it over a delicate lace bralette or a lightweight silk scarf tucked neatly into the wrap. It is an outfit that feels like a warm conversation, intimate, intelligent, and deeply memorable. While some designs are meant to define your shape, others offer a sleek, modern alternative that proves sophistication does not require a cinched waist. This brings us to the versatile shift dress. Mainstream fashion often misinterprets the shift dress as something shapeless, but for the sophisticated woman, it is a canvas of pure minimalist luxury. The beauty of a high-quality shift dress lies in its clean, vertical lines. It falls directly from the shoulders, suspended gracefully over the torso, offering a look that is entirely polished while granting complete freedom of movement. The secret to mastering the shift dress after 50 is all in the structure of the textile. Avoid flimsy fabrics that collapse. Instead, seek out heavyweight linen, structured brocade, or rich tweed. A shift dress in a bold color block or a striking geometric print can feel incredibly contemporary. This silhouette provides the perfect opportunity to showcase aging gracefully while black by serving as the ultimate backdrop for your most cherished accessories. Pair a solid color shift dress with a dramatic multi-strand coral or turquoise necklace. Roll up the sleeves slightly to reveal a stack of heavy metallic bangles. Complete the ensemble with a sleek ankle boot or a tailored loafer. It is the perfect uniform for high-end shopping trips, museum visits, or casual brunches where you intend to look chic without looking like you tried at all. For those days when your schedule demands absolute practicality, but your standard of elegance cannot be compromised, look no further than the tailored shirt dress. This silhouette borrows the crisp, clean lines of traditional menswear and refines them into a celebration of feminine strength. The inherent structure of a collar and a button-down placket adds an instant air of authority and intelligence to your look, while the utility of the design keeps it thoroughly grounded in real life. Look for shirt dresses in high-grade cotton poplin, soft tencel, or rich chamois. The vertical line created by the button closure naturally elongates the frame, offering a tall, streamlined appearance. You can wear it fully buttoned for a sharp, conservative look, or leave the top few buttons undone to create a relaxed, casual elegance that showcases a beautifully moisturized décolletage. To style the shirt dress, utilize the power of a contrasting belt to break up the lines, or leave it unbelted and wear it open over a sleek silk tank and tailored trousers as a dramatic duster jacket. Roll the cuffs sharply to 3/4 length to highlight your wrists and your favorite timepiece. Paired with a premium leather tote and a sophisticated leather mule, you have an outfit that speaks of worldly experience, organization, and a deeply refined taste. Our final silhouette is one that captures a beautiful sense of romance and movement, the elegant fit and flare dress. There is a common, entirely incorrect narrative that playful, voluminous skirts belong only to the youth. The truth is, a beautifully executed fit and flare dress possesses a regal quality that looks spectacular on a mature woman. It celebrates the waistline and then opens up into a full, dramatic skirt that brings life and movement to every step you take. For this silhouette to feel elevated and mature, the length is paramount. Seek out midi lengths that hit gracefully at the mid-calf or just below the knee. Look for fabrics with substantial body like a heavy ponte knit, a rich jacquard, or structured cotton sateen. A fit and flare dress in a deep midnight navy, a rich burgundy, or a striking monochrome abstract print looks exceptionally elegant. Style this piece with a kitten heel or an elegant wedge to elevate your posture and let the skirt drape beautifully. Layer it with a cropped tailored jacket that hits exactly at the waistline to emphasize your proportions. This is the dress you wear to family celebrations, garden parties, or any occasion where you feel radiant, feminine, and completely magnetic. It is a reminder that our joy, our style, and our presence should take up space. To truly elevate these 5 expressions of style today into the realm of signature style, we must look at the foundation of how we present ourselves. First, let us speak about skincare. No dress can replace the natural radiance of well-nourished, melanin-rich skincare. Prioritize hydration and oils that give your skin a lit-from-within quality, allowing your face and chest to glow against the rich colors of your wardrobe. Second, embrace the art of custom tailoring. Off-the-rack garments are made for averages, but your body is unique. Investing in a local tailor to adjust a hemline, shorten a sleeve, or nip a waist can transform an ordinary garment into a piece of wearable art designed specifically for you. Finally, let your hair and accessories tell your personal history. Whether you choose to rock a bold silver afro, intricate braids, or a sleek press, let your hair texture be an active part of your style statement, complemented by intentional, high-quality jewelry. We have journeyed through 5 incredible expressions of style today: the architectural A-line, the powerful wrap, the modern shift, the crisp shirt dress, and the romantic fit and flare. Each one offers a different way to look at your wardrobe, not as a means to hide your age, but as a celebration of your journey. Which of these silhouettes resonates most with the woman you're stepping into today? I would love to read your reflections and style stories in the comments below. If you found inspiration in our time together, please subscribe to Timeless Black Elegance and share this video with a sister who deserves to be reminded of her own radiance. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me. Walk with confidence, honor your beauty, and continue to claim your elegance. I will see you in the next chapter.